Imagine this. You're scrolling online and suddenly you see HunnyFit Lashes everywhere. Magnetic lashes that promise quick application, no mess, no glue, and a super natural look. The ads make it sound like the easiest lash upgrade ever, even if you've struggled with strips or glue in the past. But here's the catch. Independent reviews are still limited. Trustpilot doesn't have much verified feedback, and Reddit mentions are pretty rare. Most of the glowing comments you'll see come straight from HunnyFit's website or their social posts. Helpful, but definitely controlled. You can't be 100% sure how many of those results are real. As for the product itself, magnetic lashes can be convenient. They're usually lighter, reusable, and easier for beginners, but they can also shift if the magnets aren't strong enough, or feel uncomfortable if the band is stiff. Some people love them. Others say they don't stay on as well as advertised. So overall, HunnyFit doesn't look like a scam, but results will depend heavily on your eye shape, magnet strength, and how well you apply them. If you want a quick lash option without glue, it might be worth trying. Just keep expectations realistic. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews.